Welcome. Thanks for watching this instruction on how to fly the Elfie Z2 drone. Of course you want to fly right away, and we will help you quickly achieve that goal. Like learning to drive a car, you will need to learn the basics to fly a drone for the first time. It can be very frustrating if you do not learn the right way to fly your toy drone. That is the purpose of covering the basics of how to fly the drone. Beginner tips. Fly in an open space with no wind, and don't fly higher than your body height. Here are the lessons. Download and install the app. Insert the battery and turn on the drone. Connect to Wi-Fi. Start the app. And 5. Prepare to become airborne and fly. Additional lessons include fan blade replacement, tips on battery installation and removal, 8. Reset, 9. Easy carry, folding the drone, 10. The end, and 11. QR codes and support website. Let's begin. Download and install the JJRC apps. To do this, you need to have a smartphone, either an iPhone or Android, and search Apple iOS or Android Google Play. To download the apps, the QR code is from kfuse.com. Download the JJRC app. The QR code is also at the end of this video. And after installing the JJRC app, you will see the JJRC icon. 2. Insert the battery or connect the battery and turn on the drone. The following slides show this process. Note the small tab key position or direction of the red wire. Note the small tap key position. The red wire is closest to you in this arrangement. Go straight down into the socket below inside the drone. Then insert the battery with its far end into the battery opening, and then push down the cable flat so you can close the lid. Lock the cover. When properly closed, you can feel the cover click. Now open the fore propeller. Hold down on the power switch to turn on the power. The power switch is a toggle switch, which means that holding it down again or for too long will turn the power off. The red LED lights must face you for the proper orientation. After turning on the drone, the LED will keep blinking until the Wi-Fi is locked. Now we're going to connect to Wi-Fi. Turn on the drone. Use your smart device to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. This is usually found within the settings on your smart device. The drone's Wi-Fi will be named JJRC and a series of numbers. The setup shown is for the Apple iPhone. Other systems should be similar. In the Apple phone and most other phones, a check mark shows Wi-Fi is locked. Again, the LED light will continue to blink until a Wi-Fi connection is locked. Start the JJRC app and get ready to fly. Click JJRC to start flying the drone. Click Connect. You should be able to see live video. This is an example of the screen with a live video blank, just for clarity. Click to turn on. Next, click to turn yellow for Z hold. Click to turn on the propellers. An example here is of height control up and down. Your fingers need to be on this blue throttle knob in order to slide up and down. You also need your finger on the left blue button too, shown next, before applying power to lift off. Spin the drone right or left. Very important, your finger must be on the blue knob to navigate before liftoff and during flying. Also, the drone's red light pointing towards you provides correct orientation. Especially note one click to auto land. Note this, when the drone is close to the floor, it drifts because of the vortex effect of the wind. Now here's a live example using an Android tablet. Power on shows the red light blinking. Before you lift off, make sure both your thumbs are on the control knobs. This is especially true for the right knob because you need to navigate right away. Flying tips. Anytime you feel out of control, click Auto Land or Stop for an emergency landing. The following slides show control options. There are 4 ways to flip. The reset process is covered on these slides. Remember to place the drone on a flat surface, level surface that is. The drone will blink a few times once the button is pushed, and then stop, and that means the reset is done. The reset process is covered on these slides. Remember to place the drone on a flat surface, level surface that is. The drone will blink a few times once the button is pushed, and then stop, and that means the reset is done. To click the magic key, Headless Mode, and you can hover from headless, no longer depending on the red LED towards you for orientation. Pay particular attention to the fan blade replacement. The adjacent blades must be at different angles and facing different directions. Here's an example of the wrong adjacents and the right adjacent. make sure every blade is loose and free to turn. As for charging, plug in the USB charger to charge. The bright LED light means that it's charging. It will be off when the battery is fully charged. Here's an example of using a small screwdriver to take out the battery when it's not easy to take out. Storing the drone. When you fold the drone, fold the arms closest to the camera first. Put the drone in the black carrying bag and carry it everywhere with you to fly and take pictures. Enjoy this, and thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful in getting you acquainted with the new Elfie ZT drone. Please visit our website, www.kofuse.com.